Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I am tackling this cabinet right here. You can see it's just a complete and total hot mess, and it was just time to get it done. And with getting my spring cleaning done, I thought now would be a perfect time to declutter. So the first thing I did was take everything out and give the cabinets a really good wipe down. So when I took everything out, I noticed how many water spots all of my tops had, and it just looked terrible. So I looked up what to do, and the suggestion was to soak them in hot water with some soap and some baking soda. It was about 1/4 cup of baking soda, and I just soaked them for a while, and then I soaked them for about maybe 30 minutes. I let them sit, and then I scrubbed them really well. And I lost the footage of them after I dried them, but they came out so nice, and you'll be able to see when I display them how shiny they were. So then I took these racks that I got from TJ Maxx, and they were $5.99, and I got 2 of them. So I got one for my tops and one for the pans, and these were so inexpensive, and they worked out so well for the cabinet and organizing that. And you can see here, I am just trying to find the best way that I wanted to organize the pan. So this is the after, and I just think it looks so good, so organized, and it is so functional. And look at the tops, look at how shiny and how new they look. They look like they just came out of the box. So that really did the trick to clean those tops and get those water spots off. And I just love how this turned out. It looks so nice. And it's so easy to get in there and just grab what we need. So my husband is happy because he doesn't have to go looking around and digging and asking me to find him a pan, and he can just go in and find it and see it, and just see whatever top that he needs, and it makes it so easy when he is cooking and just working in the kitchen. So the other space that I wanted to tackle was this cabinet right here, and although it's not terrible, I knew that I could be utilizing it better. These ramekins right here were taking up a lot of space in that second shelf, and it just seemed like a lot of wasted space. So I went to TJ Maxx, and I found these organizers that slide underneath the shelf. And you can see how much space, look at that, look at how much it holds, and it just goes all the way back there, and it's so deep, and it is perfect, and it cost me $3.99 for this. So now this is on the first shelf right there, not taking up a bunch of space, just, I thought it was perfect. Now I can put my glass containers at the top, and then I got this divider also at TJ Maxx for $3.99, and I can put stuff on top of that, and it's just so much more organized. And look at this, look at how much space I have up there in that second shelf. So it's really neat to see what a few inexpensive organizers can do to maximize your space. It doesn't have to be super expensive or super fancy, and you can find so many great organizers in places like TJ Maxx or Ross or Marshall's, places like that, and really get the most bang for your buck and still make your space look beautiful. So that is it for this video, you guys. I hope that this video inspired you or motivated you or just gave you some ideas if you are looking into organizing in your kitchen cabinets. And just remember that it needs to work for you and your family. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. I would love to have you stick around. Take care and God bless. See you guys in the next one.